exploring the delights of mountain food, a culinary journey. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, mountain food. This phrase is not just about food, but it's also a great way to learn about different cultures and traditions. Let's dive into the world of mountain cuisine and enrich our English vocabulary. Mountain food refers to the traditional foods and dishes that are native to mountainous regions. These foods are often hearty, filling, and made with locally sourced ingredients. They reflect the geographical and cultural aspects of mountain life. Understanding this phrase helps us appreciate how language can be deeply connected to a region's culture and environment. One of the key features of mountain food is its simplicity and nutritional value. Due to the harsh and remote environments, mountain cuisines typically rely on ingredients that are easily available and can be stored for long periods. Foods like grains, smoked meats, cheese, and root vegetables are common. This section can also include how these foods provide the necessary energy and warmth needed in colder mountain climates. In this section, we'll explore examples of mountain food from around the world. For instance, the Swiss fondue, a classic dish from the Swiss Alps, or the Sherpa stew from the Himalayas. Each example will not only introduce the food but also include a brief mention of its origin and cultural significance. Here, we'll discuss how mountain food is deeply intertwined with the language and culture of a region. Phrases and idioms related to mountain food can be introduced. For instance, as hearty as a mountain meal could be a phrase used to describe a very filling and satisfying meal. We hope this journey through the delicious world of mountain food has been enlightening. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, but also about understanding the culture and lifestyle behind those words. Keep exploring and enjoying the rich diversity of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!